In this video, I'll show you how to fold the back seat, the second row seat of your Honda CRV 2002 to 2006. They are able to fold in two different positions, and I'll show you right now how to do it. So first, find this lever that is on the side of the switch, pull it towards you, and then the backrest of the seat will be able to fold. Okay, once you've done this, okay, we can also fold it even more by pulling a small loop that is located on the bottom behind the seat. So you see it, it's right over here. It may be hidden. Just pull on it and it will unlatch the seat and you'll be able to flip it in this position. This is great because your trunk now has a lot more space. Unfortunately, the seat is not locking in position. As you can see, it's still wiggling a bit. So yeah, even if you pull here, it's not locking. Anyway, when time comes to put the seats back, make sure that these over here, these metal bars are free of any debris, any objects, and you just have to slam the seat back so it latches in place. Okay, just do this action here. And now for the backrest to come back in the original position, you just have to pull on the lever that is on the corner of the seat and it will latch like that. You can also recline it the same way simply by pulling on the lever and adjusting at which angle you prefer having the seat. So yeah, the same thing on the other side. If I come here, just pull on the latch and the seat will go up. I mean, the backrest will go up in the first position, but if you want to lay it more, just put it there and it will stay in place. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.